So you want to put a border around your video on Squarespace. Now, I would say this is easy to do, but I've just spent like 5 minutes trying to figure out how to do it myself. I thought this is going to be so easy. I've already done a video on it before, but there's a small error that happens. And well, it's not an error, but there's like a little bit of padding in video blocks when you look at them. Um, and when you put a border around, it highlights that small gap. And so the border isn't tight to the video block. So what I'm going to show you now is how to do it properly. So we've got our video block in here. Let's imagine, you've added whatever video in. Now this is only for natively uploaded videos, just as an FYI. So let's go into pages. We'll go into website tools and custom CSS. And here's one I prepared earlier. So it's SQS native video. Make sure you get your dot and your dash. Border, solid, and then we're going to give our border size. So let's make this one 5px. And then we can give it a color if we want. So we can say red, for instance. Or we could do a hex code. Let's see how that looks. Lovely. And then we can make it, let's say, a bit bigger if we want. And I wonder if we could add a border radius. Let's get really experimental. Ooh, 20px. There we go. So you can add a little border radius to it as well. Really, really simple now that I figured it out. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website and go crazy with video borders, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.